Good morning. Myself, B.Anil Kumar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Department of Science and Humanities, POTTI SRIRAMULU, CHALAVADI, MALLIKARJUNA, College of Engineering and Technology. Today, I am going to discuss superconductors. Before going to the concept, I am going to discuss about the classification of the materials. The materials are classified into three types based on the band theory. Namely, conductor, semiconductor, insulator or non-conductor. You see the definition: conductor. If the energy gap between valency band and conduction band is minimum or there is no energy gap, then those materials are called conductors. Example, all metals. If the energy gap between valency band and conduction band is moderate, then those materials are called semiconductors. Examples, silicon or germanium. Insulator. If the energy gap between valency band and conduction band is more, then those materials are called insulators. Example, paper, wood, etc. Then, what is a superconductor? If you discuss about superconductor, you have to know about the property of the superconductivity. Property of superconductivity is nothing but if the electrical resistivity of any material becomes zero, when they cool below its critical temperature, those materials are called superconductors and the property is called superconductivity. This superconductivity property is observed by the physicist H.K. in the year 1911 while he is working on the liquid metal like mercury. He observed this superconductivity property. At a temperature of 4.92 kelvins, which is a colder temperature. That means liquid mercury shows zero electrical resistivity when it becomes colder at 4.92 Kelvin. This temperature is called Tc. What is a Tc? Which is nothing but critical temperature. Tc is nothing but a transition temperature. That means if the normal materials change to superconducting materials, then that temperature is called critical temperature. It is represented by Tc. If you observe the graph, that means if you draw the graph between electrical resistivity and the temperature, temperature is taken on x-axis, electrical resistivity is taken on y-axis, then the graph will be obtained like this. This point is called critical temperature point. That means at this temperature the material shows the superconductivity property. So these are called superconductors. And the graph is obtained like this, then those materials are called normal materials. If the graph is obtained in irregular manner, then those materials are called impure superconductors. From this graph, we can conclude that if the temperature of the materials decreases, the electrical resistivity of the materials also decreases. But at a particular temperature, the electrical resistivity drops down to 0. And this property is called superconductivity property. The materials which obey this property are called superconductors. Generally, superconductors are having high conductivity nature than conductors.